Aston Martin Vantage. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Petrolhead's Paradise, and this is a voiceover, but look at the view what's in front of me, a Ferrari and a Mustang. So what exactly happened is I lost some of my audio clips from this vlog I recorded, but don't worry, maximum part ka audio is already there. So in this video I'll be sharing what fun we had in the Saturday night and driving some powerful cars with all these supercars in Mumbai traffic, which is not a best day to drive a car, but still we had lots of fun. So it was 12:30 and look at the traffic guys. The car I'm driving in this video right now is not any regular car, but it is a Skoda Octavia VRS, which is a fully modified one. And I really wish I could make you hear this car, which just sounds like don't worry guys, the car ka sound is there in the video, just keep on watching it. Okay, so finally Mustang dikhi in the traffic. We were so far from the crowd guys. Okay, so are we getting a U-turn? Where are we going? Mustang Hill. This is fun guys, driving in the supercars with the neon from a Mustang. Lovely. Also the BMW Z3 has opened up the bonnet.
A few moments later.
Okay, so after these cars roll, we'll go hop in the VRS and we'll join the troop. It's not every day you see a GTR and a 430 Scuderia, which is only one in India, rolling ek saath. Let's hop in. Okay, so let's start bro, we should not miss the troop. Okay. And record me doing this thing. Let's put on the seat belt. And the car doesn't need a key to start. It's roll down the windows. D, first reverse. Let's roll. Oh damn, we should not miss the group bro. Okay, put on the lights. Okay, so record me. Okay, so we should not miss the group. Let's join the group and here we go. Where's the group man? Like supercars flying so fast in the Mumbai. Mumbai night is a seriously lovely road to enjoy a high performance car. Seriously. Lots of cyclists in the Mumbai. We are in the Octavia VRS. Yeah, we are burning petrol and you are burning calories. So what do you think guys? Burning calories is fun or burning high octane petrol? Let me know in the comments below right now. Look at the view guys, look at the exhaust. Let's peep into the exhaust of the 430 Scuderia. Okay guys, I need to tell you that I just uploaded a photo on Instagram of this 430 Scuderia and the Capristo exhaust reached out to me and they're saying thanks for the picture, and I said them that I'll be sending you the video of this car, and now they are excited for the video. So guys, now it's time that we'll be sitting in the Aston Martin Vantage. My small bro had a ride in this car. How was the ride?
It was super quick and pulls like mad.
Mad? Okay, now I'm going to try the car. Let's see how it goes. Alright, so this is the Aston Martin Vantage Q series, which is only one in India and a manual. Very beautiful sound.